Welcome to Make It Monday with me, your host, Shundara. Hey, all you savvy naturalistas and Ohana. Welcome to another episode of Make It Monday. But hold up, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Ohana. I would love to have you a part of our family. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites and make sure you thumbs up this video. And thanks so much for watching this episode of Make It Monday. In this episode of Make It Monday, we're going to be making a sort of conversational black cherry body scrub. Heart body scrub. It's really a festive Valentine's Day body scrub for those of you who may not be able to afford to give Valentine's Day gifts to your friends. This is a perfect, easy, very professional looking DIY that you can give to your friends and family. And also I just want to say, side note, this tutorial will be voiceover. I know most of the time I do full talk through tutorials for Make It Monday, which used to be DIY Saturday but is now Make It Monday. So I'm so sorry. This week was really crazy for me. I had to do a I'm sorry, you guys. I had to do a glucose test for my pregnancy. And then the baby went crazy and I got really drained because I didn't know why she was going crazy. I thought I was going into labor. I was really scared. But then I realized that it was just the glucose a day later. Anyways, with that being said, yeah, so I was really tired. So this is going to be a voiceover tutorial. Next week, I will do more. I will do another festive Valentine's Day DIY. That'd be more intricate for all of you guys who love my Make It Monday /O DIY Saturday intricate DIYs. That one will be more intricate and I'm really excited to show you guys what it is. So you guys, thanks so much for watching this episode of Make It Monday. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like I already said, make sure you follow me on my social media sites. And make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. And always remember, when you feel good, you look good. And let's go get into this tutorial and let's go. So you want to start off with a cup and a half a cup of sugar. You know what I realized, you guys? DIY Saturday or Make It Monday has been here for 2 years and I still don't have the right utensils. That's all I gotta say. So we're gonna start off with about a tablespoon of glycerin, and then to that you want to add fragrance oil. I'm using about 30 to 40 drops of fragrance oil. However, you can add more if you like, but just make sure it's body safe. These are one is our new elixir Larimar and Miracle Glow oil, which of course we're going to use it. So make sure you check out both at savvynaturalista.com. Miracle Glow oil contains all natural 24 karat gold and we are using 20 to 30 drops. Now we're going to start off with using a cup of coconut oil. Well, actually, we're going to use 3/4 cup of coconut oil, you guys. Once I mixed it in, I realized it was just a little bit too dry. So I added another 1/4 cup of coconut oil. And like I said, side note, DIY Saturday, we've been doing it for 2 years /Make It Monday. And I still don't have the right utensils. I have no clue when it's going to be in the budget, but someday it will. I promise you guys. So anyways, you want to mix it together until it's combined with the fragrance oil. And now we're going to half this mixture. So we're going to add about a heaping 1/4 cup twice, which is a half a cup, well, probably 3/4 a cup at this point. And we're going to put this mixture in half. After we do that, you guys, then to the big bowl, what I'm going to do is add mica. But I added more fragrance oil because it didn't smell right. I wanted it to smell like a cherry scrub. So I added more fragrance oil to it, you guys. But now we're going to add mica. So I'm using about a 1/4 teaspoon of mica, not a 1/4 teaspoon, 1/8 of a teaspoon of mica. You can use a little more. The reason why I'm using it is because I have a friend who's sensitive to staining, and I am using this as a gift for her. So that's why I did use a little more. So now you just want to mix it up until it's combined, and just make sure it's combined thoroughly because that mica could get pretty thick on you. And so what we're going to do now is make our little mixture. So I'm adding white, and what you see me, which I thought I showed you guys in the camera, was me adding the conversation hearts, you guys. So we're doing white, the pink / purple mica, and then we're doing half and then conversation hearts. I really thought I showed you guys, and I'm so sorry. Next tutorial, if I ever make a conversation heart sugar scrub, I promise you guys I will show you how I did it. So we're just going to put it to the top of our scrub. And now we're going to add more conversation hearts. As you can see, the conversation hearts at the bottom. I don't know, but I did put it around in a circle. And then I added more. And side note, this will not bleed. So you don't have to worry about it bleeding or disintegrating in your sugar scrub. It's just a cute decoration. And side note, do not eat them. Please don't eat them, you guys. Please don't. And there you have it. This easy, beautiful conversation heart body scrub. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com. And I'll see you in our next episode of Make It Monday. Bye, you guys.